guys, this is Absolute Pokemon. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we have a triple blister pack of evolutions and the single. It's the Weezing with the Deoxys coin and Black Kieran with a Genesect coin. So I'll quickly smash these out. Oh, that one came out quite easily. There we go, there's one pack. And that one didn't work quite as well. Oh dear. There we go. So, one pack, two packs, three packs from there. Chuck that off to the side. So we'll start off with the triple blister packs. So, code card. 1, 2, 3 and 2. So, first pack, we have a Voltorb. We get a Poliwag, Ghastly, Magnemite, we have a Seal, we get Brock's Grit, Slowbro Spirit Link, a Kakuna, we have a Reverse Nidoking, it's a rare, that's pretty sweet, and the rare is a Mega Charizard EX. Nice. Awesome. So, first pack, first pull. Pack number 2. Code. So 1, 2, 3 and 2. Oh, hang on. There we go, I think that's right. So, we start off with an Onix, Weedle, a Machup, Tangler, Vulpix, Venusaur Spirit Link, Potion, Metapod, our reverse is a Brock's Grit, and the rare is a Mega Pidgeot EX. Nice, two for two. This triple blister pack's been pretty decent. I think the chances of getting a hat trick are pretty damn slim, but there's the code card. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3 and 2. So, we have a Nidoran, Poliwag, we have a Grass Energy, we have a Rattata, Vulpix, a Machoke, a Super Potion, we have a Charizard Spirit Link, we get a Reverse Electrode, which is also a rare, yep, and the final rare are just a regular rare Dugong. So anyway, on to the one that came out of the single blister pack. Usually the single blister packs don't tend to have anything in them from the stuff that I normally get. I don't usually have too much luck, but there you go. But there's the code. 1, 2, 3 and 2. So, we have a Drowsy, Ponyta, Nidoran, Machup, Growlithe, a Switch, Maintenance, a Brock's Grit, we have a reverse Charizard Spirit Link, and the final rare is just an Arcanine regular rare. But, first two packs of the video, 2 Mega EXs, pretty damn good. So guys, if you enjoy my videos, please don't forget to leave a like, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.